All right, hey YouTube, Kenny here. Today I am doing a little unboxing of a Titan XSPC. Why did I call it Titan? Oh, because I bought it from Titan Rig. It's an XSPC 360 mil radiator. This is probably one of the cheapest, and in my opinion, probably one of the best 360 mil rads that you can get for the price point of $60, right around there. You can get them on Amazon for in the $60 range all day, so that's nice. All right, so if you have seen these before, if you use them before, they're really cool. Just because, like I said, they're cheap. You get a bag of screws, which is really nice. I have a ton of them extra, piling up and everything. They're usually packed really nice. I've owned several of these now. I've never had any issues with leaks or any of the tubes being clogged. They're packed really nice. And some paper. Nice black matte finish. Plenty of tubes, really nice fins. Pretty good quality. G1/4 fittings right here. 2 of them. Like the only drawback really, and you can probably buy, like that's pretty much what separates this one from a lot of others, is sometimes you get, 2 and other ports on it. So this one only has 2, but for my rig here, it's just gonna replace this one here, which has like the 2 generic built-in fittings. And pardon my sweat, I'm in the garage. It is hot as heck today, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do a little revamping of this radiator on my wall mount, so I can have some G1/4 fittings on it instead of the fixed fittings, and clean out these filters and make everything run cool again. All right, YouTube, I have finally finished installing the XSPC radiator. It is an awesome radiator for the money. I still very, very highly recommend this radiator. 360 mil. Buy it on Amazon Prime, $66. I'm sure the price fluctuates every once in a while, but for a mid-60s dollar radiator, copper brass construction, it's an awesome radiator. It's totally worth the money. This is one of the few products that I really actually do enjoy by XSPC. I hate your pump, but it's one of the few things I like from them. It is a good quality radiator. Never had any issues with the fittings. Never had any issues with leaks. I've owned several of them now, so definitely if you're getting started in water cooling and want a cheaper radiator, this is a great radiator to pick from. Hit that like button if this helped you make a decision on this, or you like the video. Leave your comments below if this is a good radiator, or if you got another one that I should look at that's either cheaper or similar price that has better features, better build quality, but for a copper brass, copper brass mix, it's a great radiator. I very highly recommend this radiator. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos from me, and thanks for watching.